and today I am going to be doing the finale to my Roulette pan collab. I am so happy that I was a part of this project pan. Huge thank you to Rebecca and Alexi for starting this project pan, and I am going to make this super quick, so I'm going to jump straight into my products. So first I'm going to insert a picture of all of my marked progress and then go through those products really quickly. In the category, a product with bad functioning packaging, I have this Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the shade Taupe. I got really good progress on this past month. I was wearing a lot of makeup this past month, and it definitely shows in the update. And although I didn't hit my goal of finishing this up, I do think I will pan this again in the future because I do love being able to look very clearly and mark my progress. So that is something that I am very excited to revisit again in the future, and I was really happy with just the way it works and all of that jazz. I'm happy I rolled this into this project. Next is my Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick in the shade Spice, and this got okay progress this past month. Not the best, but also not the worst. I did wear it a lot, but once I used up the MAC lipstick in Innocence Beware for my Lippies project pan, I kind of slowed down on this just because I was wearing that as a combo a lot, and then I kind of ran out of steam. I have been panning this officially and unofficially for 7 months, and although I do really love this lipstick, it is time for me to kind of just put it in the bag and kind of take a little bit of a break from it. I'm not sick of it, but I definitely want to play with some other things, so I am excited now that I am finishing this project to kind of give this a little bit of break and hopefully revisit it next summer. For a color you're drawn to but never wear, I have this Revlon Colorstay lip liner in the shade Fuchsia. My goal was to use this 10 times and I only used it 6, but that's 6 more times than I probably would have used it if it wasn't in this project, so didn't hit my goal, but I'm still looking at it as a positive thing. The next product I don't have with me, and it's because it's a product you love the color but dislike the formula, which really rang true. My Steely Glitter and Glow in the shade Smoky Storm. The formula has just completely changed. It really just patches up, bunches up, moves the shadow under it. I was getting really frustrated with it, and I was like, makeup shouldn't make me angry. I'm just gonna leave this at my mom's house. It is what it is, and I didn't hit my goal on it. I will probably declutter it. But I'm glad that this project showed me how much I didn't like it, so I can move on with my life. Trying to find the silver lining. It's been a morning, you guys. I filmed this video 3 times, and my filming setup has just been buggy. So anyways, we're moving on. Silver linings, that will probably not be a part of my collection much longer, and I have more exciting updates to get to. Next was a product that's an impulse purchase, and that was my Becca. It's a mini highlighter in the shade Opal. I repressed it into larger packaging, and here is a picture of it because I hit pan on this. I hit pan on it the day after I filmed my last update, but I couldn't refilm the update, so I was like, whatever. We're just gonna take a picture of this and move on to the highlighter that I'm painting in my year-long project. So I was really excited to hit that goal, and I really love the highlighter. It was not that hard. I knew I could do it, but just actually seeing the shiny little pan made me so happy, so I'm very excited. And then last is a product with inspiring packaging. That is my Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette, and as you can see, I have a teeny tiny speck of pan here, and then I had hit pan in the shade Bubbly last time. That one's harder to see just because of the color of the shade. And so I am very excited that I hit my goal on this project too. I'm also just very happy that I got some good use on it throughout the past couple of months. That is 3 products total that I hit my goal on this project. So that is really, that makes me very happy. If it works out timing wise, I really hope to be a part of this next round that everyone's gonna be doing. If you liked this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all of that jazz, and I hope to see you in a future video. Thanks, you guys.